Neeraj, today you took us through an unforgettable descriptive journey of how we must control our impulses while buying bread and pulses. Fantastic. You showed us how brilliantly and imaginative and working with words can be done. The objectives of your speech were to work with words, make it as simple as possible, avoid jargon and use rhetorical devices. Let's see how you fared. I like three aspects of your speech which were very good. First, you took us through an imaginary journey. You made us close our eyes and we felt like we were in the store watching that person using those bright threads, putting those pulses, the jeera, etc. Even otherwise, the description which was there in your speech was excellent. The imaginary words which you used, like the perfume in the air, the light music which makes people buy things faster, the green and the purples and the blues and the greys for men and women, all these painted brilliant word pictures. And there was simplicity in your speech. The third thing which I wanted to tell you, everybody could understand each and every sentence which you went through. Right through the word, when you entered into the aisle, right till the time when we exited out of the shopping store, we had a word riot. We could see everything over there, including the Dabur honey and all those things which you described so beautifully. So your imagination was there, the word description was there, the simplicity was there. One thing which I think you should improve upon, since this project calls upon using rhetorical devices, was to use rhetorical devices. Some of the rhetorical devices which you could have used would be an alliteration, like the simple supermarket saga, spellbind somebody, somewhere, sometime or the other. See, simple supermarket, everything starts with an S, that's an alliteration. You could have used better metaphors. For example, you could have used words like, you know, when you look at a customer, he looks deaf as a doorpost, when he doesn't know where he is, using similes. You could have used triads. The mad, maverick and mesmerizing journey through which we go to a supermarket leaves out without money. See, maverick, mesmerizing, mad, three words used in triads. So when you are supposed to use such a brilliant topic, you must use rhetorical devices because this is one way where you can express your words. However, I feel that you have succeeded, you have done a wonderful job, you have described us through it, you have used imaginary words. I think you have impressed us at all levels, not only at the eye level, base level. I'm not going to go beyond that. Thank you so much. Brilliant job.